Jai Gurudev. In our last video, we have come to an question: how to start the practice? Here is the answer. Meanwhile, we have completed our first chapter. There you can see lots of questions has been given by our teachers, like fill in the blanks, match the following, true or false, MCQs, etc. Take ideas from there and make by yourself, make questions by yourself. Give them assessments, give them assignments as well, and take their assessments 4 to 5 times in a week. And give them serial numbers also. Like number 1, fill in the blanks. There A, B, C, D in true and false. A, B, C, D. In one day, 3 to 4 serial numbers, give them to practice. Give many works, and allotted time should be less for completion of their works. Give them subtractions, give them additions, and give less time. Give them 5 additions and give them time 3 minutes or 5 minutes to complete these sums, complete these calculations also. Make one thing sure, that the questions should be written by them. They will write the question, not you. You will provide the question in small papers, like in school we are giving. Let them write. And yes, if they fails to do the work in correct time, punishments will be there. If they fails to do it in a particular time which will be allotted by you, then give them to do it 2 times. This will be their punishment. If they fails to do any particular sum, any subtraction or any addition, give them to do it for 10 times. By this practice, their brain will work faster than today. And by this practice, their writing skill will be developed to the next level. And point number 2. Often, we are telling our children to do the sum. Yes, do the sum. But last year, one parent had suggested me to make the students read the sum also. After that, me and one more maths teacher called Arpita ma'am, we have introduced read the sum segment in our classes also. So what is read the sum? In that segment, we are making the students to read the sum, as well as we are making the children to read the chapters from very first page. Often we did that. Often we do that actually. We are avoiding the words, the sentences which are written in first pages and which are written in examples. But believe me, this will help your child to develop their vocabulary. Next is to clear the confusion regarding terms called predecessor, successor, ascending order, descending order, cost of things, etc., etc. And lots of things are there. Moreover, this will make the children self-dependent about writing the statement in word problems also. And one more thing, the children are making mistakes in serial numbers also, which I have told in my previous video also. What these are, suppose we are giving number 1, fill in the blanks. There I am writing A, B, C, D. I have given these questions, but the children are writing B, C, D, E, F. Where the F comes? From where the F comes? We have not given F. The second thing is that if answer a question of the B, answer of the question number B, he has written well. After that he has given D. Okay, fine. But he is writing the answer of C. So in that case, we can't provide them the marks. Number 2 problem. If we are giving them the addition, say 23 plus 25 or 23 plus 35. They are writing 23 plus 33, 20 plus 30, 23 plus 36. So, by this practice, their marks will be reduced. If we practice this thing, read the sum and make them read the sums also, that means the additions, the subtractions in proper way, this thing will help them to develop their concentration power as per my experience. So by this practice, these all problems which I am telling from the very beginning may be overcome. And the next thing is word problem. We will discuss it in our next video when the topic word problem comes. Yes, I know that you are thinking that we don't have the books, so how will we make them to read? But at least you can go through the instructions which is given by a teacher in the material also. You can write them, you can provide it to your children to make them read as well. And we need to remember one more thing. In school, we have time bindings, but in our home, we don't have any time bindings. So make them practice as much as you can. Don't give them pressure in first session. Day by day, increase their pressure. Then they will be able to grab their pressure slowly. Now, one more question is there. Is this process are helping the class 3 students also? The answer is yes. Because I know that class 3 students have already faced this challenge in previous year also when they were in class 2. But the simple thing is that the challenges are growing. Because in last year, they have done 3-digit numbers, but this year we are going to introduce the 4-digit numbers also. So we can easily understand the simple thing that in previous year they need to do addition, subtraction, place values, multiplication, division, but for 3-digit numbers. Now this year it will be 4-digit number. Then it seems very easy to understand the simple thing. Their patience level should be increased, not decreased. Not like the previous year. So they need to develop also. So because of that need, I am doing the video not only for class 2 but for class 3 also. This process that read the sums, practice process, self-assessment, but they can't do self-assessment. That's why I am making this video for parents also, and parents rather than the students also, as I have told in the first video. So parents can take assessments, parents can give assignments also, and it's not for only the lockdown periods. After reopening the school, we need to continue this method until they are getting the preparation, until they have finished their preparation for annual examinations also. So that's all for today. I am finishing my session with the hope that it will help you. Jai Gurudev.